Right-sizing your container for flower is a really important part of the process when adding automation. So I wanted to just first give you an overview and explain the importance of it, and then just give you some examples. Everyone has their own different grading process. In front of me, this just happens to be an eighth that I had purchased at a retail store. And to show you here, in regards to piece size, here we're talking, this is about 25 millimeters. So the first step in determining the correct container size as you're moving away from manual packaging into automation is, what is the inside diameter of your container? Now, the inside diameter of your container could never be smaller than a nug size. So this is actually a great example. 25 millimeter nug can't fit in this opening. Then here, this is a 15 millimeter nug. It fits just fine. So rule number one, your nug size cannot exceed the inside diameter of a container. Throughout all the transition funneling of an automated packaging line, you're going to see funnels like this. So in its most crude form, this funnel is going to sit above this container. In this entire load of product in my hand, I have an eighth, and you can see here it freely fits in. This is a great diameter for this type of product. And this diameter is about 45 millimeters. 45 millimeters, biggest piece is 25 millimeters, as small as about 15. Excellent sizing. So one of the biggest advantages of a larger throat is that you're going to gain speed. It's going to take less time for the product to get into the container. So I completely understand that there's always an important relationship between production and marketing. But I can promise you, you're going to get a lot more containers out the door if your opening gets larger, as opposed to narrower. Now, narrow might still be possible, but it's just going to take longer to fill. So while the funnel might be above, you may have to better simulate your product one by one to get into the container, as opposed to ideally dumping an entire load right into that container. So keep that in mind when you're designing your containers. What you're looking for is to be able to completely fill the entire eighth, one shot right into the funnel. And what you want to avoid is having to get them in one by one, or having to place them in and push them in. Thank you very much.